religion in public schools. And Sister White says, when you see that, red words at the bottom, when you see that, the Sunday law is near.
We will be issuing a memo today that every school district will adhere to, which is that every teacher, every classroom in the state will have a Bible in the classroom and will be teaching from the Bible in the classroom to ensure that this historical understanding is there for every student in the state of Oklahoma in accordance with our academic standards. And to be clear, this is an argument that is based on a myth, on a lie. You're not going to find the separation of church and state in the Constitution. It's not there. You're not going to see the founders describe religion in this way. But what you are seeing is a court that lacks an understanding of the Constitution. And we are prepared to challenge this all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court to make sure that religious liberty is protected in the state of Oklahoma and to make sure that parents have all options available to them.
Friends, I have mixed feelings in regards to this breaking news. Number one, on one hand, I'm very much concerned that this will bring about the union of church and state and then the persecution of God's commandment-keeping people, God's seventh-day Sabbath-keeping people, the persecution of all dissenters. If you have a law by state statute, federal statute, there has to be consequences for violators. Get that in your brain. Number two, on the other hand, I'm happy. Happy for what, Pastor? Because we can now use this as a medium to educate the people of what the Bible says. Present truth. Take a look at this, my friends. I am happy.
Tonight we begin with the latest in our state education leaders' push for Christian religion in public
there it is.
schools.
Bringing religion, Christian religion, into the public schools. On this theme, clip 2.
State Superintendent Ryan Walters doubled down by requiring all Oklahoma educators to teach the Bible effective immediately.
Effective immediately. There it is, friends. Religion in all public schools. Here it is now. From the spirit of prophecy. What are we told? Evangelists should be finding their way into all the places where the minds of men are agitated over the question of Sunday legislation and the teaching of religion in the public schools. It is the neglect of Seventh-day Adventists to improve these providential opportunities. We must improve these providential opportunities to present the truth that burdens my heart.